My wife and I were on the highway going west towards Lafayette, Louisiana, towing our Ford Focus with a Blue Ox tow bar and baseplate. While driving, our Winnebago blew its front passenger tire. The motorhome swerved and was about to flip when we hit a huge road sign, ripping off the awning and tearing the roof. We spun completely around on the other side of the road, hitting another smaller sign that demolished the tow car. We went across the intersection and down into the rain-soaked median. The car frame, tow bar, and baseplate were all bent. The motorhome with the car still attached went down the median and spun again, this time heading east against the traffic, but our Blue Ox products in the car were still attached. I was able to get off the road when the tire rim dug into the mud and stopped. Thank you. I believe the Blue Ox tow bar and bracket helped to save our lives. The baseplate and tow bar did not fail. We walked away from this without a scratch, and we are definitely Blue Ox believers. Thank you and your employees for making your product of such superior integrity. When we buy another motorhome, we're coming back to buy more Blue Ox products. Francis and Shirley from Long Beach, Mississippi.
At Blue Ox.
At Blue Ox.
At Blue Ox. At Blue Ox.
At Blue Ox, we have your back.
Our family is your family at Blue Ox.